Now let's introduce this 48-core mechanical fiber optic splice closure, which includes a cable clamp and a mini splice tray. Accessories include hooks, waterproof plugs, tape, fiber optic protection tubing, and bare fiber optic protection tubing. Usage is simple. Just drill a hole in the waterproof plug, insert the fiber optic cable and tighten it, then close the outer casing. Cover the casing. The bottom of the casing has a waterproof sealing ring. Assembled fiber optic splice closure. Cable inlet size. Size measurement.